Bonjour à tous and welcome to Learn French with Vincent, and this is Unité 11, leçon P, and it will be the third part of the series of videos that we started earlier, and the topic is identical words in English and in French, and in that case we'll cover the words that will end with EON. So the first rule that you've got to keep in mind is that if it exists in French, it will be the same, okay, but it's not all the time the case. Alright, and then the second thing that you should remember is that in some cases we'll write them a little bit differently. So you can see that in French will be E in some cases, and then Z here in some cases will become S. Okay, so let's see, and the list continues. Cohésion, collaboration, collation, collection, collision, colocation, collusion, colonisation, coloration, combustion, commémoration, commercialisation, commission, communication, communion, compassion, compensation, compétition, compilation, complication, composition, compréhension, compression, concentration, conception, conclusion, condition, confection, confédération, confession, configuration, confirmation, confrontation, confusion, connotation, consécration, conservation, considération, conspiration, consternation, construction, contagion, contamination, contemplation, contestation, continuation, contorsion, contraception, contraction, contradiction. And that's it for this series of 50 words. If you want more videos, then youtube.com/imagier is waiting for you. Facebook page is online, and it's facebook.com/imagier.net. If you want to like me, I will be so happy. More material can be found there. Have a great day. Bye bye.